Hey there, I'm Faith Tucker with MasterCraft Marketing. Today I'll be giving you an overview of our X family of towboats. The X lineup is built for those who are looking for luxurious styling, premium amenities, and the best performance there is on the water. Ranging from 22 to 26 feet and boasting the progressive pickle-fork bow, the X boats contain many new innovative features for 2023 and provide the perfect solution for anyone looking to get into a MasterCraft and elevate their summer. Let's take a look. First, the X line of MasterCraft boats come with the most luxurious styling on the market. With endless color options, you can seamlessly match your unique hull design to your tower, windshield, and badging to really turn heads. Rich colors can be added to the interior as well with our Cool Feel vinyl, which stays up to 30% cooler than traditional marine vinyl. Want to black out your design or use our beautiful coconut brown tone? Go right ahead. And as the sun drops, flip on the RGB lighting to create the perfect evening ambiance. Not only can you personalize the style of your boat, you can also customize the look of your tower. Choose black or silver footings, black or silver board racks, and with the Z8 and Z10 towers, you can add Chromax inlays in a ton of colors to really complete your design. In addition to the iconic pickle-fork bow styling, the X family has the most freeboard to give you the driest, smoothest ride in the towboat segment. Simply put, the X family of boats are the most eye-catching, luxurious boats on the water. The X family is ready to impress in and behind the boat. New for the 2023 model year, the Ilmor 6.2-liter supercharged engine is exclusive to the X24 and X26 models. As the world's most powerful towboat engine, it delivers the most horsepower and torque in the industry at 630 horsepower and 665 pounds of torque. It's no wonder we had to collaborate with one of the world's most premium engine manufacturers. And all X products come with our underwater exhaust. This innovative feature drastically reduces engine noise to elevate the cockpit experience. Additionally, world-class wake and surf performance has always been hallmarks of the X. Interested in showing off your skills behind the boat? Enter SurfStar. This revolutionary surf system is admired by surfers worldwide as a result of its strength, accuracy, and ease of use. Regardless of your surfing style or skill level, the X family has a wave for everyone. With X, it's your wave, your way. And once your session is over and you're back at the house, all X's feature onboard telematics to remotely monitor your boat's health and view critical data via the MasterCraft app. Finally, our X models are packed to the brim with premium amenities. For 2023, we've upgraded the acoustic experience in the boat by including 6 Klipsch speakers throughout the entire boat to guarantee everyone can enjoy the music. Additionally, you can add 2 or 4 tower speakers, amps, and subwoofers to deliver a premium audio experience while in or out of the boat. Customers have come to love the ergonomics of our patented transom lounge seats. It's a great spot to relax while anchored in the cove for lunch or if the kids are out for a swim. And if you want to take your lounging to the next level, check out our optional transom seating with footrests. Your crew will also enjoy our new flip-down swim step that makes getting in and out of the water easier than ever before. Furthermore, a step has been added to the rear seat to make walking into the cockpit stable and convenient. The X family also distinguishes itself by elevating the captain's experience. A dual screen helm configuration is available on all X product. This makes programming your favorite wave, finding your perfect settings, and navigating your waterways intuitive and enjoyable. Also a new feature for this model year is the power helm seat. Raise or lower the helm seat at the press of a button for the ultimate in comfort, convenience, and personalization. Lastly, one of my favorite features on the X's is the stern thruster. The most powerful stern thruster on the market, it's able to pivot the boat 360 degrees in under 30 seconds. The integrated throttle control makes it so easy to use. The thruster is an incredible feature around tight docks, in the wind, and for quicker rider pickups. Our X family has premium details and amenities that deliver a new level of luxury within the performance towboat segment. And we're passionate about providing you with the best on-water experience. That's why each boat comes with MasterCare. MasterCare is our way of saying we've got your back. The MasterCare warranty is a top-of-the-line 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions. This also includes an unrivaled engine warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. Thanks for hanging with me today to learn more about how our award-winning X family delivers the most luxurious styling, premium amenities, and the best performance there is on the water. If you'd like to take a test ride or learn more, contact your local MasterCraft dealer or visit mastercraft.com.